Today we're going to talk about the best possible auto loan that you can get. If you're trying to be financially savvy and you're looking for the best auto loan with the lowest rate, the best auto loan that you can possibly get is no auto loan at all. The reason being is you don't pay any interest if you have no auto loan. You don't overpay by buying from a dealership. When you pay cash for a car, you're able to get the lowest possible price on that vehicle instead of buying it at a dealership, and you have no monthly payment. If you're looking to be financially free, be financially savvy, if you're looking to buy a house in the future, if you're looking to retire at some point, an auto loan is going to get in the way of all of your goals. Right now, interest rates are so high, it's not worth it to finance a car. So the best possible auto loan is no auto loan at all. Now you're probably wondering, if you have no auto loan, where do you buy a car? How do you buy a car? And how do you achieve this without getting a loan? That's what we're going to talk about in the next video. But in this video specifically, I really want to stress to you that we want to get you out of debt. We want to make sure that you're not making bad purchases, and a vehicle just erodes your wealth so quickly. You're paying interest, so the bank is gaining interest on your loan while your car is depreciating and losing value. So you're paying interest on a depreciating asset, and it's just going like this, and it's getting further and further away from your goals. In the next video, I'm going to share a secret method that I have created called the reverse car payment. And this is going to help you to buy your next car, and it's going to help you to actually get paid interest on your next car instead of paying interest. If you found anything in this video or my other videos to be helpful, please give us a like and a subscribe so that you see our content in the future. And if you have questions or comments, or you want to just sizzle me because you love having a car payment, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you.